This section covers inspecting assets. First, go to a job and click the Checklist or Assets tab. For this example, select Assets first. Create and link an asset. Select your asset type. Save the asset. Click Add Response. This opens the Choose a Checklist prompt. Select your checklist from the list. Click Link. The checklist prompt appears. The new checklist is now linked. Click Add Response. Add your response and complete the checklist. The asset now shows as passed. Another way to inspect an asset is to link the checklist first, then create the asset. Click Add Response again, or in the Checklist tab, click Add Response. The asset appears in the Linked Assets section. Click Add Response to complete the inspection.